Alright, I'm back. Check this out. This is the core to the motor, which is over there. Listen to this thing. Imagine that amplifying through your stove at full speed. This here is actually frozen on and it shouldn't be. So, I'm going to remove that and put a new one on it, which I've already done over here. I've already put a new one here. Here's the... What is this? What kind of type of motor are these, guys? Is that an induction style? Kind of looks like it. I don't know. Maybe not. It's a regular motor. And so I put a new one there. Yeah, this is the top one. That's it. I'm going to try to figure out how to keep that from falling out. But I got an idea for that, so. In here, I had to put a little bit of packing grease into the back of the bearing because it's not sealed. And they said all their bearings at the skate shop were like that. One side sealed. But see, like, see how I got this so dust can't get in there? And I packed it under there so nothing can get up into the bearing. And then this top part, sorry, I'm out in the cold and it's kind of, my nose is drizzly. I'll set it like that. So it should be half-ass protected by the time it gets put up in there. I don't know, what do you think? Probably put it the other way, actually. Yeah, I'll put it the other way, because, you know, how dust likes to collect on top of things, not under them necessarily. Anyhow, let's get to it. See you later.